Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video. Today I am going to show you how you can connect your WHM with your WHMCS. So first of all, you have to click on system settings. You have to log in again. You will find servers. You have to click here. Here you will find a button add new server. You have to click here. Then you have to enter your WHM credentials here. I have my WHM in host colon. This is my WHM account. Log in again. You have to click on login to WHM. I'm clicking here. Here you will find your WHM username. I'm giving my WHM username. Or you can simply check your email history. You will find new account information. Here you will find your username, password and IP. I'm giving everything there. You can add API token or you can keep it blank. You have to click on test connection. You can see connection successful. Then here you have to add your name servers if you have, or you can use your server's name server. I am adding this server's name server and IP. Then you have to click on save changes. Here you can see cPanel version, load average and everything is showing here. You can simply click on login to WHM to check if it's connected or not. You can see it's redirecting me to my WHM. That means my WHM has been successfully connected with my WHMCS. In this way, you can connect your WHM with your WHMCS account. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.